bring us here. You can't blame me, cause look. See?
Kita niya talaga tayo.
Nakita tayo?
Hindi, doon sa stairs lang naman eh. Diyan kayo okay. Di kayo okay lang kayo.
Guys, iba na talaga pag tumatanda, ang mga kaibigan mo ay tumatanda na rin. Happy birthday, Shan. See you soon. Nearly there, guys. So I think we have to go this way. We need this. What the f***? Why the f*** did the thing bring us here? Look, you can't blame me, cause look. See? See, guys? We are here! Ano ba yan, Shan? Napaka-sport mo talaga. Hindi ko alam kung paano ka kinakain ni Meg. Wow, social, oh. Ay, private room pa siya. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Birthday. Mga height mo siya, pang McDonald's lang eh. Ano nangyari kasi dun, sa likod ng hotel, sa entrance ng hotel pinapapasok. So doon kami naglakad sa dead end na to ah. Guys, ito po ang aming menu for today. Wow, may patubag pa si sir.
Salamat. Toilet siya.
How you feeling? Yeah. Hindi, sabi ko may ano, may patubig pa si sir. Sabi niya ako. How you feeling, bro? Kaya Justin, kung nanonood ka, cheers.
Nag-greet naman.
Happy birthday, Sean! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
May feelings naman.
Birthday with feelings.
May feelings.
Kita niya talaga tayo.
Nakita tayo?
Hindi. Dito sa stairs lang naman eh. Yung pag-akyat.
Yeah, I didn't see.
Diyan kayo okay. Di kayo okay lang kayo dyan.
Ano mo sila? Nakapasok na.
Ay, sila nung sa first ko. Hindi na tayo nakakat. Dito na.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sharon. Happy birthday to you. Thank you.
Pag na dapat nagpapapogi kayo. So you guys wanna order some.
Pero nabigla ako kasi nag-bet siya nung...
I'm so hungry. Got mains. They did the mash.
They did the monster mash.
The monster mash.
It was a graveyard.
Kain na tayo.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Hep hep. Hooray! Hep hep. Hooray! Hep hep. Hooray! Hooray! Slow. Wait.
Got my crimpalations. So, eto na po. Tapos na po kami. And busog na busog. And yun.